Hola clase. Now I know I have already created a how-to on how to create your cuaderno. I'm going to create a new one. So first step is to log into your Outlook. And then from here there might be a difference on how you arrive to your Word page. So one way is to, when you see Outlook here, mine doesn't show it, but when you see Outlook, click on the square and then you're going to click on OneDrive. If that does not work, usually when you log in, you'll see a series of apps. One of it will be OneDrive, Microsoft, Word, PowerPoint. Click on the Microsoft Word icon. But if you are here, you will click Create Word Document. And from here, the first thing we are going to do is change the title. So I am going to upload Cuaderno Semana 4. Okay. Now from here, make sure that you have images of all of your notes. Please make sure these images are clear and that I can read them and that they are in the right direction. All right. As I was grading some of your cuadernos this weekend, I'm having to flip my laptop. So please remember to make sure that your images are up right. Now, let's insert our photos. So we're going to go to Insert Picture from this device. And we're about to see if these are in order. They may not be. We're going to have to reorder them, but that's okay. There we go. Yes. So there's Actividad 1, 2, 3, y 4. So these are notes from 923. Now, if you leave it here, it is going to continue to delete this photo. So we're going to push Enter. You're going to click down here at the bottom until you see like a flashing line. You may or may not, but click here and then Enter, and then you'll see it. My images are going to take up 1 per page, so we are going to go ahead and move that cursor key to the second page. Enter again this device, click the second photo. Let's see if this is the correct one. This should be Lingua Meeting Notes. Yes. So as you can tell, I have the question, I have the responses. This is what your notes should look like. We're going to do the same thing again here. Click, keep going, and we're going to insert picture from this device. And I believe this is the next one that I need. This is a continuation of the Lingua Meeting Notes. Yes. So here are the last 3 questions. And then from here, I begin my contraseña notes. For this particular week, it was the creation of questions. So as you can tell, I'm not quite finished. So I have one more photo to add. Insert picture from this device, and I believe this is this is the last photo. Let's see that here. Yes. So the different ways on how to create questions. That is what the Grammar 2 topic was for this chapter. Now, once you have all of this ready to go, you're going to click Share and then Copy Link. And then here you will copy it. And from here we're going to head on over to our Canvas page. Alright, we are here in Canvas page and I'm currently logged in to Student View so that you can also see, you'll also see the same thing. So we're going to scroll down to Cuaderno Semana 4. I'm going to click into it here. And we're going to scroll down. Notice before I scroll down, this shows what should be included. These are notes from September 23rd through September 29th. So we keep scrolling. We'll get to the bottom and you are going to hit text. And then here you are going to paste that link. And there we go. And then a submit button will highlight itself. All right, this is what you will need to do every week. Please be sure from here on out, starting in week 6, week 5. Your cuaderno notes will be divided in the following way. This Monday, October 6th, I provided you all with a weekly planner. That weekly planner will now be 1 point of your grade. Please make sure that you're writing all of your homework assignments on it, you're keeping up with it, checking things off as you complete it, take notes on it, reminders, things like that. I will be checking it. You will have to upload that as a photo for next week. So let's do the breakdown. It'll be 10 points. 1 point will be the weekly planner. 5 points will be the activities in our class on Tuesdays, the activities. So let's say you have 3 of the 4 activities uploaded, you'll get 4 out of the 5 points. Please make sure everything is filled. If you are not in class, if you did not finish something, please know that all PowerPoints, if you click on any module, if you look at any module on the very last page of it, Fall 2025 PowerPoints, you'll see all PowerPoints here. All right, all PowerPoints are here. So let's recap. 1 point for the weekly planner, 5 points for the activities on Tuesday, and then 2 points for Lingua Meeting notes. These are taken while you are practicing your Lingua Meeting session on Thursdays. And then any notes that you've taken with Contraseña. This can be vocabulary notes. And remember, if you just put 5 words, that's not going to be enough to get you to, that's not going to be enough to have 2 points added on to this grade. So please make sure that you're adding vocabulary or even the grammar topic for that particular week. Okay? All right. I hope this helps as you continue with your future cuadernos. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out and let me know. Adios.